Okay, today we are going to solve word problems where you're going to have to set up a system of equations and then use any method to solve it. So problem 1, 2 bowls and 1 cup have a mass of 800 grams. 1 bowl and 2 cups have a mass of 700 grams. Find the mass of a bowl and the mass of a cup. So first things first, I am going to write a system of equations based off of this problem. So 2 bowls and 1 cup. So I'm going to let B equal the bowl and C equal the cup. So if I have 2 bowls, that's going to be 2B. If I have 1 cup, that's just 1C. And together, that has a mass of 800 grams. Looking at the second sentence, you have 1 bowl, so that's 1B, and 2 cups, 2C, and together that has a weight of 700 grams. And again, you could use any method you wish to solve this system. I'm going to solve it using elimination. So I'm going to multiply this second equation by -2. So I'm going to keep the top equation. I'm not going to do anything to it. But the bottom equation, if I multiply everything by 2, I get -2B, -4C, and -1400. Then if I use the elimination method, I'm going to add my terms. So I'm going to keep the equal sign lined up, but I'm going to add each term separately. So 2B plus -2B is 0. That gets eliminated. 1C plus -4C is -3C. Then 800 plus -1400 is -600. So now I have an equation, -3C equals -600. So if I divide both sides by -3, then I have C, which is the mass of a cup, is 200 grams. Then I could pick either equation to solve for B. So I'm going to substitute in C and solve for B. So I'm just going to use the first equation that I have, this 2B plus C equals 800. I'm just going to write it down again. And I'm going to substitute in 200 for C. So if I subtract 200 from both sides, I get 2B equals 600. Divide both sides by 2. Then B equals 300. So there you go. We have cup weighing 200 grams and a bowl that weighs 300 grams. So that's how you use systems of equations to solve word problems. You're going to have to set up your system based off of the information given to you and then use any method to solve it.